Hello, good morning viewers. Once again I am before you taking a new video, and I think this video is life changing video for all of you. Before I shall discuss about this video, I would like to suggest the new viewers who are new on my channel to get better benefit. Watch my video till end, subscribe my channel, press the bell button. Now I am going ahead. Spoken English, the magical attraction. Spoken English, the magical attraction. It is quite true. Spoken English has the attraction to attract the people anywhere around the world as well as in the society. This is the quality of a spoken English. First of all, we have to know its importance of spoken English. We have to understand three factors. Why these factors are essential for a spoken English. If you will follow these factors, we shall be able to speak English fluently. Now, look all these factors one by one. First of all, what? After getting education, all of you go for job or for business or abroad. Due to language problem, due to lack of knowledge of English, you become fail there and become hopeless. It is very sad for you as well. So we have to think why such type of happening occurs with myself. We have to think about. Now, second factor is why. Why a spoken English is essential? Because spoken English is very essential to live in modern life confidently before anybody else. It provides us recognition, develops our personality, and we may be able to lead our life according to our desire. Now, last and final factor, and that is how. How we shall achieve this ability. Spoken English, the miracle. Spoken English, the magical attraction. These are the factors. If these factors meaning you know completely, then you will be able to know the capacity how to speak English before any person. Now let us know the tips of spoken English. So my dear viewers, take care. Tips for spoken English. And here those are the tips. Remove your hesitation from your mind. Remove your hesitation from your mind. There must not be any type of hesitation at the time of speaking English. Second one, never think about mistake. Never think You don't think about your mistake. Go on fluently. Number three, speak just like your mother language. Mother language. First fluency, later on accuracy. First fluency, later on accuracy. Read English newspaper and English movies. Sometimes you have to increase your English knowledge. You have to contact English newspaper and English movies as well. Adopt the habit, how great personality apply themselves at the time of speaking English. Build your vocabulary. Now seventh, build your vocabulary. Number 8, be confident. All the time. In this way, you have to understand all its rules and regulation. If you will understand these steps, then you will be able to deliver your feeling anywhere around the world. So, don't be nervous at the time of speaking English. Always be confident and go ahead without thinking wrong and right. If you will do so, I am 100% sure you will be able to speak English anywhere before any person around the world. I do hope you have understood whatever I have convinced you. So, my dear viewers, I think for the better future of all of you, goodbye, see you again.